That's the best sound, eh? Yum. Whakalofa to my ko, welcome back. How are you guys? All good?
Yeah.
Shout out to Lee Makavani's mom. Hope you're getting better. You're in hospital. Yep. We're at the bro's house. Manui na whanau.
Yo! Ulahi!
This is Hugo. He's on Barbie. Got the Barbie going.
Barbie's going, it's ready to go.
How does it feel to be one moon?
Just the moon?
The sun around the earth.
What's that, 24 hours? That's 1 month.
Oh, wrong saying. Yeah.
1 minute.
That's hot.
Happy birthday.
Yo! 46 years old. Weird. Like I was saying to John, I don't celebrate birthdays because I'm in denial. I don't like to think about my age. 46 is just a number, so what?
Yeah.
But 46 doesn't mean that you be lazy and stay at home and just do nothing.
Yeah.
You gotta stay active.
Yeah.
Stay active, stay young, happy body, happy mind. Amen. Thank you. Very nice.
You open the oil, so
First,
you
do
put
that.
the oil on.
Yeah, well, somebody said you can put the oil straight on the meat.
Oh yeah, that's what I do. Like cook steak.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try that.
Mom Hector don't cook.
Olive oil. Oh, here's Hector. Mr. Hector. Black belt, you training up for nationals? Or worlds?
Worlds.
Worlds. And August. How's the training going?
I haven't really been training in a while.
They need a trainer.
I've been sick,
Oh,
but I'll train this Monday. Life's been good.
yeah. You're New Zealand's champ, eh, for your grade, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is New Zealand's champ for his grade, so wishing Hector all the best for worlds, eh? In Perth.
What is it?
No, it's not good. I want to go fit.
Where is
Oh,
it?
where's worlds?
Sydney.
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 Yo, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
Sydney.
It's
I'm
gonna be
gonna go
good.
find Nemo.
Yeah, that's my nephew Hector. Got some real champions in here. Should be good. So if you're in Sydney in August, have a look. All right.
No, but in this.
That's the best sound, eh?
Honestly. We chose this. This is what we're going to use today. We want to sort of match it to, what is it? The night market tea.
Yeah.
Maple chipotle.
Yeah.
Shucks.
Someone said once, get the chipotle. So we'll try it.
Yeah.
Try that. Yeah.
Can I say go?
So at the moment, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 guests.
Yeah.
We got about 40 kebabs. So we'll see how we go. And we got Niue and taro.
Ooh, could
inside,
smell
so
it.
Let's go.
Oh man.
Lamb with taro. Yeah,
Shucks.
lamb with taro.
Ooh. Niue taro.
Oh, Niue and taro. I mean,
Yum. This is the
the factory.
Mamoi. Yeah.
Welcome to AFCO Pakaranga. This is AFCO Pakaranga.
Yeah.
This is where we're cutting up the mamoi.
Yeah.
We're gonna chuck it in. I don't know if you saw the photo. Did you see the photo? See the messenger?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll put it on. Put in the video.
Put the video. But this is what's left.
Woo. Man, lamb. It's cheaper to get the full lamb, eh?
Yeah. It used to be a whole lamb, and then now it's not.
Oh. Yeah. Mom, how was the Hikatawake fundraiser?
Oh, ahonei ne tau se mautoro kuturi tupe ke lata mo Hikatawake he kaina na he Holy Trinity tota he fulufuluala tolo pihane na ngata ne wange kai mafola ue afe
Yeah.
tai seu tala ni mo ue afe kai tola he fulufuluala longa tau kai longa tau kori fia ma John lawe ko inga ki Wellington su kai whana ma tola pohi he hala lima he mongo fiafi ke whakatutala ni ka hafoki ni koe tau asianga tupe ke lamataia ki e ke pule ha Hikatawake ke tae whare ako ako Kolia Matoro. Oh, and one of the. It's been a long time. They used to be the owner of Frankie's Bar in Matahuhu. He was there and he came and supported the whole thing. So it was nice. It was really nice. We got what we aimed for.
Nice.
So we're gonna have some more fundraising.
Nice.
Yeah. To support the Hibikawake MP.
Yeah.
Even when I went to Niue last Christmas, and one of the matua, she's the oldest, Lalo Manomi, she asked, for us to help them, not only me, she asked me, but asked everyone, especially people from Hibikawake, the family, please help, it's a good cause, they want to see a new house for the servant of God. Where that's what it means. To have a good house for the servant of God to live in.
Yeah.
It's called Afale Akuaku, means it's Afale for the Akuaku, which is the church minister.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. It was awesome. So yeah, and some people there said, "Where's the cameraman? You, John?"
Oh.
Yeah, really good.
Tell them we're coming. We're coming soon.
Yes.
We're coming soon.
Yeah, homo, really nice.
Yeah.
It was, so we're having, when people ask it, oh, it's an old saying.
Yeah.
But I just push it aside. But who's gonna do it? It's been 20 years.
Yeah. Oh, wow. We're here now. Yeah.
Come and work together. It's voluntary work. No one gets paid.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for a name or anything. I just want to help.
So what? Yeah, brings you happiness. See.
Oh yes, definitely. When it does brings me happiness to know that there's something at the end of what I'm doing, and I can see it. Everybody's gonna see it for many years to come.
Yeah.
Yeah, and even for people who contribute to the rebuilding of the Hibikawake Paliakwako, it's nice when you go back to Niue, when the children go back and say, oh, my family contribute to that. It's a nice feeling. Yeah, about being happy. And also it's just down from the chasm.
Yeah.
Opposite this house will be the lagoon.
Yeah.
Where people go and swim, and also when the well comes around, that's where they segregate, around the. Yeah, so thank you, John. Nice. Awesome.
Pakoi. Pai kupu. Aho whanau e. Aho whanau a haki.
Oi. Ngau ki he atua helangi kua. Tu dua e fitu furumatahi tau haki. Nā kai. Whita haki. How old is he? 50? Whaono. 48.
Hey fam, can you just edit that out?
Longon da whakane pate tau.
Whaono.
Whaono?
Yeah.
88 to 24? Oh yeah, hakone.
Ea, whaono re tau he pate he. Ahonai. E wai wa mai te mau ai ki. Kai na ana me whanau. Kai ta mai papa kiu. Của phí tai phó thì coi đâu cà bếp cái ara liêu gì tai
có liêu cái gì cần phải
oh em mua mấy thì mua cả phí ta rồi mình câu hay cả mặt
we just want to say happy birthday. I just want to say happy birthday, Christian. God bless you always with whatever you endeavor to do. Make your life meaningful, to make use of the life God gave you and the skills and the knowledge, okay? And that will make me very happy and very proud. But also I like how you kids get together, and care for each other. And that's what family's all about, getting together. And yeah, really good to
bring the envelope.
Oh, Grandpa wants the envelope.
I dropped mine on the road.
Christian. His nickname is Haki Bear, but his real name is Christian Punapatolo Eric. Captain Eric.
He was black like Haki Bear.
Te vea makin.
Market.
Haya. Munine whanau ha maha ki whakia te atua ka whae tō halonga ki mui a whae mai. Pai ka whano hawa mui he noho he lau nei. Haya. Koe la.
Whakaoi.
Yeah, I'll have a glass. Yeah, yeah. I read, eh?
Moi he tau mena ka whanau ia ki ai, puke tau mahua, kia mua whae si mui a whae hana a mui ma tō te te. Maunina mai ose ma tō, taha mai.
No, I don't celebrate birthdays. I think birthdays are a special day, but should be celebrated for children and significant elders, as opposed to us that are in that in between. But with saying that, I do appreciate everyone here for coming together, you know, to celebrate with us here at my house, which is great. I think if anything, one thing that I can take away is that this year will be a different journey for me, starting my own business. I think a lot of people think that business could be easy, but it's not easy. It's very hard. It's very hard. And when I talk to other business owners, they also say it's hard as well. But the palipalis are there, the rewards are there.
Hako.
And this week I do my first job, which is on Tuesday, and then another one later on in the week. The first job is 3K, the second one is 2K, sorry. So that's enough to, 2 jobs is enough to cover me for 2 months. But yeah, I wanted to just share that with everyone and share that this will be a different year for me. Starting a business, and anyone who's looking to start a business as well, I do encourage you all to have a go. It's not easy. It's definitely hard. I've said that twice now, so it is definitely hard. But with everything, if you take the hard path, it becomes easier later. Whereas if it was easy at the start, it would be harder later. So that's what I can appreciate from this process. My thoughts go out there to everyone that can't make it here today. Hector and Hugo had an uncle that passed away this last year, and this is the year February. Oh, sorry, this is the month February, and you know, this is the anniversary of Nathan's birthday. So there's some, you know, we've lost a few people in the past, but nevertheless, we go forward. And I know that if anything, if I was going to share anything from and give a voice to those people that we've lost, is that it's not about what's happened in the past, it's about what's about to happen now and in the future. So why don't we go and make the most of what we've got now and be the best we can be. So with those words, I'd like to thank you again, Mum and Dad. Thank you for coming over. Elder Sister Sandy, Warmer, John, then Jordan, then everybody else. Thank you all for being here today. Oh my God! Hey! Oh, you in here? Oh my God!
There you go. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
See you next time. Fuck away, Malo.
You okay? Yeah!
Alright. Awesome birthday. The bro is just warming up.
Happy birthday, Dad. Can we go count?
Yo.
Alright.
Jerry!
Bye.
Cindy! Sir Jackson!
Yeah. Walk here.
See you later.
Home. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Let's
go. Awesome party.
Bye. Can we go
Yoo-hoo.
count first?
Yo. Awesome. Awesome party at the Bros. Shot Christian. Fuck away.
Can we go count first?
He was having a good time. Good time. Now we're gonna go.
Wait, hey guys. Subscribe to Indigo Eric. We're doing the night market.
No. I gotta go home and
No, we gotta go
get
countdown.
ready. No, Andy, we're gonna go.
She's gonna.
No, we're off. It's cooled down now. It's quite hot in there. Gonna go home, get these guys showered.
KCC. Where? Look, it says KCC.
Yep, in case you guys didn't know, I'm turning whahong fulu e tau nei, so getting old, but all good. We're just planning, thinking I might have like a boat cruise for myself, but we'll see. Okay, kia monuina.